All engineer, all
Overpower blue
engineer.
guys.
No, don't go all engineer, because then that's just not funny.
Obviously.
Yada!
He's meta.
Meta, scene. Y'all's ever watch,
Is the carbonizer unit any good?
you guys ever watch Xavier Renegade or Angel?
Yeah.
Yes, I have. You slumber. A cucumber.
You nappa, you get slappa.
You get slapper.
You catch up on some
No,
Zeds.
it's-
You get out of my
it's-
heads.
To my heads.
You better on top to talking about nothing else. Something, I don't know.
Seriously, is a TR-58 carbonizer turret good?
Please all stop talking at once, and it's fine. It just moves and has less range.
I eat pussies like you.
Actually, it does do more damage.
So we're going 2 NGs, 2 commandos?
Sure, we're waiting for this one person to ready up, damn it.
Doggone it.
Man, we had Titanic planes, but
God.
Medalist wanted to take forever. We could have got Titanic planes.
Sorry.
Say we got blind pests. See, you've already lost half your health. Very fun
Why is she
stage.
mad at you?
Oh, I just used the Shrine of Blood.
Oh. There's a Void Seed and
just
a Void Scented Flame Medalist. You have to give it to me.
just
Actually,
really
if
hate
it's
this.
anything, if it's anything that I want, you have to give it to me.
Yeah, he's still a fungus so much, bro.
You owe me
I'm
one
just-
Void item.
It's reaping what you sow from focus.
It wasn't meant to be this way.
But in the end, it has to be this way.
I realize. I sounded a little bit like Nitro there.
Yes,
I
you did, actually.
realize that you're just.
Oh,
like
my
me.
dogs are fighting the
scared me.
cat again.
Mhm.
Who's gonna win the 1v1? The cat's
Not
being
that you
able to
care
kill dog.
anything.
Can you guys hear them barking?
No,
Good.
Not really.
that's good stuff.
Look at my babies. Look at their little legs.
Unimus, you're using the moving turrets.
Yes.
My.
You slumber. Cucumber.
Guys, hurry up and kill stuff so I can get money.
We got
So I can get
Mountain Shrine, huh?
chest.
Mount Shrine, activate it.
Oh no, I meant someone already activated them.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna open this 111 chest right here. That's right. You vanished.
Is there any chests nearby I need to open?
This chest is gonna be terrible.
Dude, I have $200. I need to spend it.
It's gonna be positively horrendous. What other wisps? No, it wasn't.
No, that's not bad. So what are we doing this? Are we looping? Killing Mythics?
We're gonna
No,
go Mithril.
going to.
Maybe looping
only
once
have
then
a
killing
single-
Mythics?
I only have a single item.
I don't know.
Bro, fucking
Does that sound good to you?
Medalist! Stop
Yeah.
taking out the items.
Just get good, bro.
I could buy you one if you need.
Yes. Can you buy me this shrine?
If need be, I can. Medalist shall buy you a silver coin.
Yes,
You
please.
catch up on some Zeds. Did you want this one? It has ukulele. Get it!
Open it. Just open it.
Sitting idly for the monies, then I walk away for 1 second. You guys might have heard that.
I heard something, but I can't quite tell what it is.
Holy fuck!
You're welcome for buying it.
Here, I'll give you this. Come here.
Give me a fucking weapon. Holy shit.
I don't
Look,
have
it's a
that
crit
much.
glasses.
Item.
Ooga booga!
I kind of really
Yeah.
wanted that, but you can have it. I appear to be fair.
Okay, you're richer than all of us. He has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, but I technically have the best items here.
Okay, yeah, you do have the best item. Okay.
Yeah,
Oh
but
crap,
who
you have
has
the
the
ukulele
most?
and stuff. I'm ready for teleport if anyone else is.
I'm making my way over there.
What did I say? Oh, are you? Is mini slide the meta?
What do you mean mini slide?
Like,
There's roll and there's slide. Never use roll.
Yeah,
Oh, wait, was this
the
a
reason
whisper
people
vent?
use
No, it wasn't.
that's scary. No, the reason people use Whirl is because they don't have Slide.
Oh, well, I do have slide.
So tired of my dog barking, bro.
Oh, it's not that scary.
It's scary.
Bands, nice.
Okay, as long as we keep shooting it, we can kill it. Because, you know, I don't really have a range.
Isn't that how you play the game, though?
Well, overloading
bit.
units can regenerate health. I said units like it's Clash of Clans.
This thing has a lot of health.
I'm kind of pushing daisies over here.
Because it's also, like it said, special variant, an elite monster.
And if I did not have missiles,
What do we get?
2 items each, gang. Come on, 1, 2, goodbye. It's Harvester Scythe.
Okay, I'd like something. Give me.
If I see any of you with 3.
No need.
Okay, no, nobody has 3. Is frag grenade good or no?
Cracker what?
Frag grenade. Frag.
I'm just gonna
Is
pretend.
frag grenade good?
No.
Not really.
If you could talk at that
At least I
volume
haven't
you were
used it.
just talking at for the rest of the run, that'd be great.
That was the clearest your mic's ever sounded.
Hello?
Can you come back to the teleport? It's charging so slowly now.
Okay.
A little
this
bit.
good?
Yeah, just like
Decent.
turn up the volume a bit.
Is that it's because I was like screaming at the top of my lungs most of the time. Is this better?
Yeah.
No ear rape moment?
That's fine.
No.
Yeah, alright, I'll take that. Yoink.
Oh my.
Look at my babies, yo.
Oh my.
Wow.
So which stage do I
Nothing
use
but a
Fuel
sucker.
Array at?
Stage 4 Abyssal
These
Depth
shrines.
specifically.
It's nothing, but it's
Okay,
something.
when is that?
Yes. Stage 4.
No, like, where? in
Stage 4, motherfucker. Are you gonna wait until we get there?
Oh my god.
How am I supposed to elaborate on where it is if we're not there?
I think
Okay,
that
okay,
was
fine.
the
Let me
Okay,
describe a
and,
fictional place in great detail.
Can
Are
somebody
you guys talking about the
Okay.
guaranteed legendary chest?
No, we're talking about how you unlock Rex.
Are you a kleptomaniac?
Oh. It's a
Metalist?
high platform. Am I
Thank-
what?
Are you a kleptomaniac?
What does that mean? Like a collector?
Sony likes to steal things.
No.
The unnatural urge to just steal shit.
Oh my god.
I kinda
My
looted
carrots
a
just
lot of
have
things.
glasses to find their shitty hole.
Yeah, you're kind of looting and scooting, bro.
Anyways, I'm ready to go.
Can somebody
Me
see
too.
Telly?
Oh my gosh, I found one more chest. Oh, I can't afford it.
Oh, gimme! Alright, don't start the telly. Aw.
What was it meant
Might have a
to?
look. You
Where's
get
the
up there
chest?
from here. Fish over here.
Oh, it's up there. Oh.
Sorry, I just wanted to see if
Oh.
this was open or not. I'm opening it.
Dude,
Our pace is good.
the
Notice it.
Your guys' greed are hurting the economy.
Okay, well, you're not black, sweetie, so, I can hurt you whenever I
I'm a
want.
minority. I'm a minority.
Oh my, who told Banshee to take fuel cell? Fuel array?
They're trying to unlock Rex.
Oh,
I'm
bad.
a
Yeah, if-
minority?
You should be glad that you have. Oh
Yeah, but
yeah,
I get
if you ever see a blood shrine, take it.
I would
Totally take it. Especially if it's 75% or more. You'll just instantly die.
Even using it at 50, like, it's when you get to 50. Anyways, use the teleporter. Yeah, there you go.
I'm gonna kill myself. God damn it, I was like 6 health off.
You can't die to fall damage.